What is going on, fam? This is Serge, and today we're going to do a counter unboxing of the legendary, the proven, the never falling off Seasucker mountain road bike mount for your sports car. So I've taken a look at these things a while back, but I never had a bike to actually use it for that was worth it to take on the trails. Well, guess what? I picked up a Trek mountain bike. It's on its way, and I figured it just makes sense to get a Seasucker. So let's get into this quick unboxing, show you what's in here and what it comes with. Alright, here we go. Oh, there's a box inside. Push this bad boy out. The packaging is really good. Aside from getting the Seasucker, they do charge you like $4 or something for shipping protection, which I didn't even question, to be quite honest with you. I'd rather have something get here safe. The box looks very good, and the insides of the box are actually very straightforward. You can see here, the box is used very well. The parts are quite big and minimal. So the first thing we have is, of course, a container, a bag with different tools. So we have a tool, we have an extra pump. So when you want to secure this on your car, you're pumping it like this. So it looks like they did include an extra one of these pumps, and it comes with a stem. So the stem piece is what actually goes through the front fork of your bike, and then you lock it in. You have some lubrication, and this orange Velcro piece, that is for your pedals, so they don't rotate while the bike is on the vehicle. Now, the main attraction, the Seasucker. This is the rear piece. It does come with a cap. All of them come with caps, just to make sure there's no debris that gets in there and doesn't scratch up your vehicle. There is a recommendation to just bring some quick detailer and a carbon microfiber wipe, just to make sure there's no dirt on the car. You stick this on the glass, this goes on the back. There's like 4 different ways of mounting this on your vehicle. I'm going to mount it on the glass and on the roof. So this is the rear piece for the rear wheel. And then you get the main piece that goes onto the vehicle. We're going to put this aside. This goes onto the vehicle. As you can see, it's 3. Oh, it's interesting. So I thought this would like rotate. See how it's not even? I thought this would like rotate or something. No, it's just, this is just the way it is. It's not straight. I am sure there's a reason behind that. And that's cool. I know this product has been tested very thoroughly. As you can see, all 3 of these have caps. And to be quite honest with you, I'm very impressed and kind of surprised that you just have to attach this to this section on the Seasucker with the screws that are provided, and then when the bike is mounted, you take your stem and you would unscrew this, insert it here, your bike forks go here, and then you would secure it. And that's it. So a very straightforward product. Very happy with the packaging. Delivery was very fast. Here's a demonstration of how the Seasucker works. You place it on your roof and you press the button until the orange piece disappears. Whoo! That is strong. There's no way you're gonna get that off. But then all you have to do to get this off your vehicle or a countertop is you pull this tab and it just releases. So I guess as long as a rock doesn't hit any of these tabs while you're driving, you should be in good shape. But I hope this gives you a good idea of what this looks like, and then you just place it into this little housing. Just make sure you clean it before you put it back. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. I will make a video of me mounting this onto my vehicle once the bike arrives, but overall, pretty cool piece, and it's portable, so you don't have to worry about unscrewing it or screwing it or unstrapping it from your vehicle. Literally, they have these little tabs that you just push, it releases the suction, you put it in your car or go on your bike ride, come back, secure this, and that's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, pretty straightforward, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Drive safe.